Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 P460e 38.2kWh Autobiography 4-wheel drive. Now this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid, it's automatic, as well as ULEZ compliant, and is finished in Carpathian Grey. To start off with, then you have your digital LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 10-spoke gloss alloy wheels, really complementing the Carpathian Grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which is great for allowing you to lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid. Once open, you can see that you've got a large amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. As well as this, in your boot space, you can find the controls for your electric deployable tow bar, allowing you to deploy it easily so you can tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your heated multifunctional steering wheel, you have everything you may need, including hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. This car features a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what, along with your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which allows you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. The front seats in this car are massage seats as well, ideal for those longer journeys, ensuring that you stay comfortable throughout. As well as being massage seats, the front seats are both heated and ventilated, ideal for the hot summer months as well as the colder winter ones. You also have your 4x4 information, along with your different terrain response drive modes, your ride height, and of course your weight sensing, making this vehicle suited for most terrain. So if you'd like to go on an off-road adventure, you are able to do so. You also have your 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. And as well as this, you also have a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid and it has a range of up to 75 miles. On a 7 kilowatt charger, it can take up to 5 hours to charge, and it will take approximately 40 minutes to reach 80% using a rapid charger. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 P460e 38.2kWh Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.